we're just gonna start simple. We're gonna pop this lens cover off of here and get all of that stuff exposed. Man, that was super easy. And mine's broken, so probably should have needed to replace that anyway. Let me grab my cordless drill and a box knife. We'll pop this light off of here and see what kind of wires we got to work with. All right, the old cordless drill, nice and easy, because you know this stuff all just goes right into fiberglass. So. All right, let's take our handy dandy box knife around and score this silicone seal. There we go. Look at that. They even gave us plenty of wire to actually hook up something. So that'll be super nice. So all we got to do is figure out which wire is our power and which one is not. So let's get these guys disconnected out of here. And that's actually that's simple. Man, it's crazy. So let me grab my multimeter, plug the trailer in, hit my headlights, and see who's hot and who's not. All right, so I've got the headlights turned on in the truck. I've got the truck plugged into the camper. Let's see what we got going on here. So that is negative 12 volts. So green is going to be our power. So it should be as simple as getting our wires all lined up. And just like so, the lights are on. Let's plug in an antenna. Okay, so let that hang right there for a minute. I'll be right back. All right, so I guess we'll figure that part out later. Let's go ahead and get this stuff back in there. Get the thing reconnected to the side of the trailer, and we'll be good to go. Let's clean up this silicone a little bit. Like always, be careful with your razor blades on your gel coat. You don't cut into it. Just want to clean up this silicone so we can get a good seal on the new one when we put it on there. My marker lights are powered by the camera. The camera is powered by the marker lights. So after the truck's been sitting there for so long with the headlights on, it just turns itself off. So that's pretty good. Let's get our stuff all stuffed back up in there where it belongs. That guy will sit right about there. Let's pop this lens cover off of here. Get this new one mounted. So they do come with the self-tapping number 2 Phillips screws to remount this thing in here. So make sure you got your number 2 Phillips bit ready. And remember guys, you are just going into fiberglass, so be gentle. Don't crank down with your drill. Just snug them up with a regular Phillips screwdriver once you get them in there. We're just going to take our regular number 2 Phillips. Make sure everything's nice, snug. lens cap back on. And that's it, guys. We are done like dinner. Go over and do the other side. Should be a simple repeat of this one. And then we'll get the monitor set up inside the truck. All right, and this one ought to just be a repeat of the other side. All right, so this side is a little bit different. It doesn't have the quick connectors, so we're gonna have to pop these ones off of here and pop the new ones back in. So still pretty easy. So let's knock that out real quick. We should just be able to rebend the inside of these guys. Open it up a little bit. No problem. Hardest part's going to be keeping all of these wires together. All right, so on this side it's a little bit different. We got to wire nut these ones together. They didn't have the other connections over there, so like they did on the other side. Go kick the headlights on, see if this one works. All right, there we go. We got power on this one. Let's get these all taped up so they're nice and dry in there. Get it stuffed back in. We'll get the antenna on and get this one mounted too. All right, got those all dried in. Let's get them stuffed in there. We'll get this one mounted. Back on. Put the antenna on here. All right, and then